Hey guys, here Carlos from Fast Cellular, and this time is to show you uh, what chip or what IC to replace on the MacBook A1466, and this is the IC for the backlight if the LCD is dim, like dark, you can barely see it. So this is the chip that you have to replace. Heat it up. Here I usually use I start with 300 and then 400, like 430. You had to play with it. And here, just be careful with the position of the chip of the IC. If you see the dot on the corner, it has to go in that position. Other than that, the computer, it won't show the image. I zoom out here is because I want you to understand of the position of the IC. It's very important. Hit it up, put the air on, let's say, start with 3. Then you can put as 5. It looks that it's ready. Let's put it sideways too. And just make a cleanup. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe.